Today, we're gonna take a burger and we're gonna take breakfast and combine them into a delicious keto-friendly meal with the help of our friends over at Jarlsberg. So let's jump right into it. Start this one by shaping and seasoning your burgers. Shape them so that they're pretty thin and throw a dimple in each one. Ground turkey or beef works best for this recipe. Today I'm using turkey. How I'm seasoning mine is by using some garlic powder, salt, and a little black pepper on each side. You can use whatever you want. Throw those on your grill for a couple minutes or your preferred temperature. Then a couple minutes before they're done, throw a Jarlsberg cheese slice on each one. Now that seems like a good intro into me talking about how delicious this Jarlsberg cheese is. If you've never had it before, I'll put a link below. It's been around over 60 years and continues to grow in popularity. That says something. Their specialty cheese goes great in recipes, especially this one. So let's jump back into it. Every good burger needs a bun, and every good breakfast probably has eggs, unless you're allergic. Well, here's where we're gonna change things up. Take out a pan, turn your burner on medium heat, and whisk up 4 large whole eggs. Coat your pan, and once it heats up, pour your eggs in. You can use whatever you want here, but I like to throw in some chopped up onion, bacon bits, garlic powder, and a Jarlsberg cheese slice. Fold it over and cook each side to your liking. Yes, we just made an omelet, but it's not just any omelet. It's your bun, and it should look like this. Looks delicious, right? And the macros are great. For those of you who plan to make this or end up making this, what will you or did you change up? Let me know in the comments below. I should also mention that if you do make this recipe, you can submit it to Jarlsberg for a chance to win weekly prizes. I'll put a link to that giveaway below. It's super easy to enter and you could win a gourmet grill. With that, thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this recipe, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a recipe, and of course, stay healthy.